guys, this is attempt number 3 of getting this pump built. Every time we try to build it, we've either had problems with getting pumps ordered, we've had issues with getting parts ordered, we've been rained out.
When we tried this a week ago, we got our little setup, she filmed her little intro, and it's dumped on us.
Yeah, it rained so much, like for hours, like the whole day.
And then the rest of the week.
Yeah, and then the rest of the week. So it's a good day. We should have sunny weather the rest of the week. We're trying to get this knocked out because we have cement forms going in 2 days. We want to get a couple projects, like small little things, knocked out before that happens. That way we can put all of our energy into the cement pad.
Basically the idea is we wanted to transfer water out of this tote right here and not have to dump it into buckets and pick it up and pour it into our camper. I wanted to make it portable, put it in it's just toolbox. It's a 5.5 horsepower pump, I think, maybe. Then we have a 220 amp 12 volt battery. That's gonna all go in here together. I have a voltage monitoring meter just so we can see at a glance if the battery is dead or not. And we also have a water sensor that, battery, water, electronics, figured that might be a good idea. And then a on and off switch. So hopefully I can make all that work. A smattering of tools that all of which we may or may not need.
Hey, baby boy.
We are no longer using the water sensor because after attempting to wire it up according to the directions, it is not possible to get 2 wires into the terminal. If we had smaller wires, I guess you could do it, but it's just not going to happen. So we're not going to do that anymore, and it's going to be very simple, and we're going to have the positive lead of the battery going to a switch, which then goes to the pump, and the negative lead of the pump going to the battery. That's going to be it. No water sensor. And then the little battery monitor hooks up by itself later. I might not even mess with that today because apparently it's very cumbersome to program. Good news is I'll probably be done with this in like 20 minutes. Okay, so we're not quite done yet because I put the spigots on the wrong side.
Oh, well that's working. There's a lot of, is that water leaking out? But no leaks in here. All right guys, we are almost done with this. The pump itself there's no leaks in it. There is just a pretty big leak where the actual hose that, is gonna connect into the camper, there's a leak there just because honestly it's just a cheap hose off of Amazon. So we'll remedy that later, but it's perfectly functional. We can still fill up our water tank for the camper, transfer water wherever we need it to. It's just not as efficient as we want it to be yet. We also got an RV water filter just so it protects our camper system a little bit better.